Imagine embarking on a journey that millions of people across the world dream of taking. Yet, despite its universal significance, Hajj is often surrounded by misconceptions. Today, we're diving deep to unveil the truths behind these misunderstandings. Stick with us till the end to uncover some surprising facts that might change the way you view this sacred pilgrimage. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful videos on Islamic teachings and traditions. Today, we're clarifying some common misconceptions about Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam. Believe me, some of these might surprise you. Misconception 1. Hajj is only for the wealthy. One of the biggest myths is that Hajj is only for the wealthy. In reality, Hajj is a duty for those who are physically and financially able. Islam emphasizes the importance of intention and effort rather than wealth in fulfilling this sacred duty. Did you know that some people save for years, even decades, to perform Hajj? Their stories of perseverance are truly inspiring. Misconception 2. Hajj can be performed anytime. Another common misconception is that Hajj can be performed at any time of the year. Hajj has specific dates in the Islamic calendar, during the month of al-Hijjah. The rituals are intricately timed, culminating in the day of Arafah, which is the pinnacle of Hajj. Imagine the collective spiritual energy of millions of pilgrims united in their devotion on the same day. Misconception 3. Only men are required to perform Hajj. It's often thought that Hajj is only obligatory for men. However, Hajj is mandatory for both Muslim men and women who meet the criteria of physical and financial ability. Many women with proper arrangements and the company of a mahram, male guardian, fulfill this sacred pilgrimage. Let's hear some heartwarming stories from women who have completed this journey. Misconception 4. All pilgrims must speak Arabic. There's a belief that one must speak Arabic to perform Hajj properly. While understanding Arabic can enhance the experience, it's not a requirement. The essence of Hajj transcends language. Pilgrims from all over the world, speaking different languages, unite in their devotion and rituals. Let's explore how the universal language of faith connects us all. Misconception 5. Hajj is solely about ritual. Lastly, Hajj is often seen as a series of rituals without deeper meaning. While the rituals are essential, Hajj is also a journey of spiritual growth, self-reflection, and connection with Allah. It's a transformative experience that goes beyond the physical acts. Join us as we delve into the profound spiritual insights gained during Hajj. I hope this video has helped clear up some common misconceptions about Hajj. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on Islamic teachings. If you have any questions or personal experiences to share, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.